Hello students, today I will give you the notes of English main course chapter 1 the empty pot. So children, you have to make a fair notebook for English on lining of both the sides of paper. Hindi linings you have to use. Okay, and on the first paper you will write the date on the top left corner, then chapter 1 the empty pot, and then the difficult words. As I told you earlier in the explanation part also, you have to write these difficult words carefully. Write the correct spelling of the word and learn how to pronounce them, and write all the words with blue pen and question part with the black pen, and use blue and black gel pen only. First word is springtime, then emperor, opportunity, sword, disappointment, consoled, pleasant, excitedly, bloomed, exclaimed, distributed, frowned, marvelous, manures. Now come to the second page. On second page you have to write the word meaning. The word you have to write with black pen and meanings with the blue pen. First is bloomed, with meaning produced flowers. Then his successor, the next emperor. Marvelous, meaning is extremely good. Nourishing, meaning is better for growing plants. Devotion, its meaning is care and effort. Disheartened, its meaning is left with no hope. Consoled, meaning is comforted. Delicate and elegant, meaning is gentle and stylish. Fragrant, its meaning is had a pleasant smell. Frowned, its meaning is looked angry. And last, exclaimed, its meaning is said surprisingly. Now come to the next page. Write the heading, answer the following questions. The question number 1 is, what were the children asked to do to become the next emperor? So the answer is, the emperor were called all the children of kingdom to his palace, and he gave one seed to each child. Full stop. He said, come back in 1 year, and whoever will grow the finest flower from these seeds will be the next emperor. This is the answer of first question. So write it in your notebook carefully. Now the second question is, why was Shui excited about the challenge? Shui excited about the challenge because he wanted to plant the seed and adore its blooming flowers, because he loved flowers the most. Third question is, what all did Shui do to grow the seed? Its answer is, Shui take a clay pot to grow his seed in. He found rich black soil that had many worms in it to make it nourishing. He filled pot with soil and sowed his seed carefully, and then he set the pot in the sun and tended the seed with all his devotion. At proper time, he treated it with manures and was careful to protect it from ants, birds, and sparrows. One more thing, children. While writing the question answers, leave the proper lines in between the two questions, and leave the proper space between the words also, and write neatly and carefully. Because I know that it's first time you all are writing with the pen, so please take extra care and don't use whitener when you are doing something wrong. Just simply cut it and write the word next. Now the fourth last question is, why did the emperor choose Shui to be the next emperor? The emperor chose Shui to be the next emperor because he was the honest boy and only child to speak the truth of the seed that was already cooked. I hope you will all understood well, and do this work in your notebook carefully and learn them also. And in case if you don't have notebook or it is not available, then write this work in the lining sheets and keep it with you safe, that it become easy for you to learn during this lockdown period. Thank you and have a nice day.